What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video: binnace airdrop listing. Go to airdrop total value and a platform. Binnace is lending crypto to crypto exchange around with our 100 coins supplied for deposit and withdraw. These emissions is infraction service for blockchain improved system. Binance conducted multiple trading cooperation and giveaways event to its user created account on Binance particular before maintained event to earn reward. Sign up for bounces etc. Step by step guide. First activity: Binance hold airdrop activate BNB holder. Visit the Binance exchange, login in very already in account, sign up for new accounts, complete for KYC verification, increased have some BNB. Your account is what don't have get Binance the hold airdrop exchange BNB holder. 6 user will be receive airdrops token issues by project with a large token calculation supply that then intent to soon listing Binance. 7 all have yet increased to complete following task which can make eligible. First, visit and earn such BNB. Second, subscribe to simple earn product your BNB. Third, an announcement will be made Binance before holder airdrop. 4 snapshots of the user Binance will take multiple time. 5 eligible user will receive holder airdrop reward is support wallet with 24 hours. 8 eligible particular receive airdrop token direct to your Binance support wallet. 9 for more detail about the airdrop visit official airdrop announcement. Activity to join the academy game and share up to 19 USD reward. First, create an account Binance, complete KYC verification. Video click and complete now. Complete task particular in each weekly tournament to collect sprint of the Olympic game. Binance Academy is to launch the Binance Academy game where you can share up to $900 USD token voucher by taking part a weekly education tournament. 6 for more information redirect the airdrop C page. Activity 3 refers to earn invite friend to share 1 lakh USDT reward. First, create an account Binance, complete KYC verification, click join campaign, active page confirmation particular, invite registration Binance account. 5 unlock your USDT token voucher reward task in activity page. 4 like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.